Hey everyone, I'd like to talk to you about the great ZenFone 5 features that I really like. This time, I'd like to talk about Pro Mode, a professional feature that will delight creative users and give them more detailed control over their photos. Always wanted to shoot and edit like a pro? This is your chance. The ZenFone 5 supports the RAW file format in Pro Camera mode and also lets you adjust your ISO, manual focus, exposure value, and white balance manually, while still allowing you to switch between the dual rear cameras. And you can manage difficult low light situations by using up to 32 seconds of exposure time and visual levels to make sure you got that challenging shot correctly. This and more awesome features can be found on the new ZenFone 5. Be sure to check them all out. Thanks for watching.